seats are all out of this car. Getting ready to take the carpet out, and I found all kinds of goodies underneath the seats. There's some lifesavers. There's some gum under here. Zippo lighter, spoon. Got a little keychain. All kinds of goodies in here. So I'll rip this carpet out and see what we got going on. Carpet is out. Now we get to see what we have to work with in here. And it's really not that bad. You know, if you don't look at the bad spots, it looks great. But then there are bad spots. So, this is the front floor pan. I've still got to pull this mat. So it doesn't go up too far. But yeah, this is totally rotted right out. Right here, where this is bumped up, is where that you know, superficial frame rail is that I'm gonna have to repair. But yeah, I don't think I'm gonna have any trouble whipping up some sheet metal and welding it in. I'll try to keep it as close to the factory style as possible. Waiting on a bead roller. I gotta order a bead roller from Jegs because I want to be able to put these factory like beads back in and try to make it look like it's an original floor pan. And it adds a lot of strength, so that's another good reason to do that. And then we've got, this is the inside of that box frame where the rear swing arm attaches. So you can see, it's weird, like they've got this like rubber stuff they spray on, and it's like it rotted exactly where that is. You get outside of that and it's actually pretty good, so I won't have any trouble at all, I don't think, making up a patch panel for here. You know, cut this all out, cut this out, and then I'll be able to work on the box that's behind this and then weld this all back in. And let's see about the other side. I haven't even looked at the other side yet. Giving the carpet its first round of washing. It's nice when you can take it out and you can actually hose it down. So this is actually, I'm pretty lucky that this carpet's actually in great shape. I mean, it's a little bit dirty, you know, it's cleaning up really well, but it's not worn. So this is gonna look pretty much like a brand new carpet once it's installed back in, once I get everything else all fixed. I washed it down with degreaser actually, and it worked out great. I've shown you this stuff already, I think, in this video a couple times. I've been using this on everything in the car because it's just impresses the heck out of me. Stuff just works so good. So I'll wash it down one more time, and when I get all the metal work done, this will go back in. So here's the other front floor pan. This one isn't nearly as bad, but I am going to cut out where it's rotted and just weld in a new patch here. Again, trying to keep it looking, you know, mostly factory. It's a little wet in here. I'm not sure. I think that's because I washed that carpet pretty heavily at one time. I hope that's why. Otherwise, it's like a heater core problem or something, but we'll figure that out. And this side, let's see. This is the same as the box corner for the other side there. And this side here isn't bad. There is a little bit of rust and one little hole, so I'll patch this all up too, just to, you know, get it nice and clean. So that's where I'm at. So until I get my bead roller, I can't do a whole lot. I'm gonna investigate a little bit further. I don't really want to go cutting stuff out because what I like to do is basically make this pan and everything before I cut it out. That way I pretty much know what I have to work with and can form everything the way I want it. So keep a lookout for that update. That will be coming probably late next week. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you subscribe, hit the little bell so you get notifications, share it with your friends, and there'll be more videos to come. Thanks for watching.